Tatapon daw niya yun. I can still use that one eh. The stroller, I can still use that one when me and William walking, you know that. I will take back that one. I will get the stroller. Yeah, that one's still good. I need that when we're walking. Oh, see? Tatapon daw niya. Ah, yeah. When we... Ganda-ganda pa nito eh. Let it back. Sayang. Pa naman. Doko. Tapon. Spring is spring. Bye. 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 Tatapon daw niya. Bye-bye. Yung mga gamit ng anak ko to guys. Parang ayokong itapon. Ay, asawa ko itatapon daw niya. Ay, nako. Buhay. Tatapon na siya guys. Oh. We will throw. No, we will throw that one now. Okay? Please. Saan ka na pupunta? There's a ghost up there. Oh, halika na. Woo! Halika na. Dito ka na, anak ko. Doon ka na kay tatay mo. Yeah. Halika na, doon na tayo. Saan ka na pupunta? Right? So that we have room for new toy. Oh, you say bye-bye to your stuff now. Oh. You gonna say bye-bye to your new stuff? Oh, you say bye-bye? Oh, bye-bye na.
Mine.
Yeah.
That's my stuff.
Yes. That's your stuff. And we will have to...
This is mine.
Yeah. And we will going to throw it now. Let's go. Mine daw siya, guys. Nangihinayang akong itapon, guys. Ayoko sanang itapon eh. Itong tatay niya eh, tinatapon. Tabako na. What's that? Did you hear that? What's that? Wala lang. Nawala na yung mga basura namin, guys. Spring cleanup. Oh, you want also that one to put in the garbage? All those? Are we going to put those all in the garbage too? Huh?
This one too.
Yeah. Oh.
And this
Mm.
one here.
Oh. You decide. That's all my stuff daw siya. Ang itapon, guys. Yan, no? Ang laro ng anak ko. That's what I'm telling to you. He's done. Oh, the mosquito will gonna bite that. Umiihi siya. Lukong bata to ah. Mana din sa nanay saan umiihi. You done? Hey! Ay, Napo! Hey, Napo! You know, you can go in the bathroom. Oh, yes.
Boo. 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 Get away. This is the garbage.
Oh, yeah.
It's clean now?
Boo.
Oh, yeah, it's green.
Boo.
We have a gas in there, the small one.
Where most making fun?
Daddy, we're gonna put gas now. Oh, you come here. cleaning anyway. What you gonna get? Oh. Oh. You have to find 5 leaves. 5 leaves on that. That's one. It's a lucky one. Yeah, it's a lucky one. It's cleaning time. Ito pa. Isi.